now it's fine. Finals are over. I can now swim with you guys. You know, swim. I decided to do a get ready with me type of chat video. I won't really explain some of the products that I'm gonna be using because it's just gonna be me answering some of you guys' questions. Kiki and Kai Kai, we're gonna have a Kai Kai, okay? Go get your favorite liquid lipstick, your favorite highlighter brush, and we'll just have a good time. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, comment below, and like this video, and follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna be prepping my face using the African black soap. I can't talk today. So, you know, like two types here and here. I do my brows completely different when I go out, just because it's not drag and it's more of a natural look. Hopefully, you guys are nice to me. If not, then I'm not gonna do this anymore. Follow me on my Instagram account, it's right there. Oh my god! What's your favorite lipstick? Oh girl, red lipstick. I love me some hot red, radiant red lips. Just puts everything in perspective, you know, like Marilyn Monroe. I'm gonna be using the Morphe palette. Honey, open it right now. Open it. I'm gonna be doing a neutral eye color. Big fluffy brush. You have to just blend everything out. Now, I get really messy with my eyeshadows because it's my face. I don't do this on clients. I'm too lazy to cut the crease, so I don't cut the crease. But this time, I want to cut the crease. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, next question. Are you still single? Yes, I'm still single. I don't think I'm ever gonna find the right guy. Over my skin. Yes. You know, I just love it how foundation just it glides through your skin. This is as natural as I can ever get, honey. Oh. I found my phone. So next question is favorite eyeshadow palette. Where's in it? I can't use this. Is more like of a like bam in your face type of ordeal palette, but that's my favorite palette. I mean, this is not too much makeup. Oh my god, look at my double chin. That's so cute. Hello, how you doing, honey? Oh, honey. The highlighter is bomb. To wear a nude color, but my sisters say your type of nudes are the type of dark nudes. They're not nudes, okay, honey? I'm like, they're nudes to me because I usually wear really dark colors on my lips. I love her. I love my sister. So I'm basically done getting ready for class. Anyways, once I'm done, I like to set my. I use two of these. I use one to set and the other one to make me look dewy. I'm not going to do that on camera because it doesn't really register well on camera because it gives you off a glitter type of ordeal. So I'm going to do that once I leave. What I'm wearing are this Huda Beauty lashes and it's number 11 and Shasha. Anyways, let me just put on my clothes, show you my outfit. The boots I got at Fashion Nova and the dress I got it from the mall. But anyways, I gotta go, guys. Love you. Always. So like and stay. Yes. Bye. Hi everyone. Just got out of class. Face, I go face, face.